Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a first look at the Thinkcar Thinkscan 662. I just received this thing in the mail. Let's open up the box and see what it comes with. So in the box you'll find this owner's manual, it looks like. You'll find the Thinkscan scanner. Looks like it comes with a screen protector on it. Maybe that's just a sticker. A little smudge right there in the screen. Also comes with your cable. I'll hook up here to the top, it looks like, and also a USB to USB-C charger. So I looked up some of the specs on this thing, and it supports 140 vehicle brands and works with most vehicles 96 and newer. It can read and clear codes, display live data, graph sensors, and access the engine, transmission, and ABS, which most smaller scan tools will not do ABS and airbags, but this one looks like it'll do a lot of that. Let's get this cord hooked up to it. Looks like it, just like a printer cord, screws on. Just like that. All right, let's see if we can power this thing on, see if it has battery life. I haven't hooked it up to the charger yet. So here we got turned on, select English. You can select your language by multiple languages. Keep that. Go ahead and remove this. Oh yeah, so there is a screen protector on there. Guess I'll leave that on there. Actually, it's covering a lot of this stuff. Let's see if I can remove it without taking the screen protector off. Oh, not quite. All right, let's just remove that screen protector. There we go. That screen looks a lot better now. One of the first things you'll notice is this 6.2-inch HD touchscreen that is super responsive. It's powered by Android and has a quad-core processor, and internally it has 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. It came shipped at 97%. Looks like you can hook up Wi-Fi to it. The time is not correct. We have VIN, autos, the diagnostics, OBD, history, so you can see some of your past scans, reports, give the company feedback, and Dollifax community. I'm not really sure what that is. Dollifax is a social media platform suitable for every car enthusiast. Interesting. Looks like in this maintenance section, it gives you like 12 popular service functions, including anti-theft key programming on some vehicles, recent and oil life, electronic parking brake, TPMS, steering angle calibration, injectors, the DPF reset, some upgrading, vehicle diagnostics, maintenance software. If there's anything specific you'd like me to test with this scanner, or you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer them in my next video. This company also does lifetime software updates, and I'm pretty sure this one's probably gonna need one. Let's see here. So settings, software update. Oh, I need to hook to the internet, so I'll get that hooked up and see if there's any software updates. But that's one thing you wanna do with scanners when you first get them. But there's a lot of features on this thing. It'll be interesting to see what all it can do and the quality, how fast it operates and stuff. So this was just the unboxing and first look at this scanner. In the next video, I'll hook it to a car and do some diagnostics to see how this thing actually works on a vehicle. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.